Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy's 88 to 98 K1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 3. Begin removing your spring hanger by prying off its rivets. Step 4. With a 15mm socket, remove the cab mount bolt and bushing. Then begin removing the mount itself, while taking care to not damage the cab body, followed by punching out the hanger rivets. Step 5. Attempt to push the part into place while using the angles and frame holes for alignment. Mark the location of the part and begin cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 6. Replace the part using C-clamps. And begin reinstalling your spring hanger using the included hardware. This will ensure proper alignment and weld fitment. Finally, begin welding the part to the frame, followed by replacing the bed and cab mount. And you're done.